Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Teach Tutorial Now, and I'm Sonam Prajapati. So friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to cancel order on Fiverr. So friends, it's a very simple. Let's start the video. Okay friends, now go to your order, and friends, after this here you will see the option visit the resolution center. So click on this option, and friends, what can we help you do? So if you want to extend the delivery, you can extend your time, you can modify the order. If you want to cancel order, just click on the ask for the buyer to cancel this order, and you have to choose the reason why you want to cancel order. I am too busy, I'm not able to do this job, I did not receive enough information. So just click any option and then click on the continue and type here message why you want to cancel this order. And after this, friends, just click on the send button. The dispute will be sent to your buyer or your seller. So friends, if he will accept dispute, the order will be cancelled automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. I hope you learned something from this video. And friends, if you are new on my channel, just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon button so you will never miss any video from me like this. So friends, I'll see you soon with the new video. Take care. Bye bye.